Minister and honored guests, with increasing concerns about the environmental impact of fossil fuels, there is an ongoing search for sustainable solutions built on renewable resources to create electricity. Currently, remote areas rely heavily upon fossil fuel generators to provide them with electricity, usually due to lack of access to the local grid. We at XRG Power are going to offer a solution to that problem. Most existing renewable solutions have high costs and are focused on power plants. But we will offer small, cost-efficient generators. We will offer personal micro-binary generators that can produce electricity from low-heat geothermal resources between 70 degrees to 135 degrees Celsius. Micro-binary generator is a closed-loop system that has a second working fluid, the binary fluid, that has a much lower boiling point than water. Low to moderately hot geothermal water heats the binary fluid that passes through a heat exchanger. The heat causes the binary fluid to flash to vapor. The vapor then drives the generator that produces electricity. We already have a working prototype that we will be testing in real conditions soon. There are places, even around Iceland, that only have access to low-heat geothermal resources and are located far away from the national grid. After proof of concept has been achieved in Iceland, we intend to go to foreign markets. This map shows the Earth's hottest known geothermal regions, and that is where the greatest potential for the traditional flash steam turbine geothermal power plants are. On the edges of these regions, XRG generators can provide added value. Entering foreign markets will be done in cooperation with Icelandic geothermal experts. They have the important connections, knowledge, and know about the potential of the market we are looking at. As an example, I can mention Nicaragua, where geothermal exploration is going on involving Icelandic expertise, and we aim to start our foreign expansion just there. The XRG generators will be developed for different types of use. The smallest ones will be ideal for telecommunication masts in remote areas. Other types will be applicable for cottages and cabins, and the great news are, for those, we already have buyers waiting for our generators to be ready to sell to them. In addition, we will develop a generator that will be applicable for small boats and vessels, utilizing the waste heat from the exhaustion system. We at XRG Power see a lot of potential in the future. Our initial focus will be on the niche market of personal micro-binary generators for areas with low geothermal heat. In the future, we see a potential to utilize other renewable resources as heat to run our micro-binary generator. To stay true to our green goals, we will be focusing on solar power. Another very exciting potential that we aim to look into is scaling up our generators in order to be able to set up small-scale geothermal power plants in areas where boreholes have already been drilled but are not delivering hot enough water to power the traditional geothermal power plants. To begin with, we aim to enter and compete with the diesel fuel generators in areas with access to low-heat geothermal resources. offering a much more stable and environmentally friendly solution. According to the research group Frost & Sullivan, end users in remote areas are retrofitting or replacing the diesel generators with more cost-effective and efficient hydropower systems. Hybrid power systems, sorry. Their report found that the market earned $358.4 million in revenue in the year 2013, and estimates that sales will be $552.2 million in the year 2018, at a compound annual growth of 9%. An interesting fact is that the Latin American market is expected to be among the fastest growing markets, and that is exactly the market where we aim to start our foreign expansion. Companies that we consider our competition in the renewable sector are a few. However, we will be serving a niche market that they are not focusing on. Perhaps in the future, these companies can become our strategic partner or even a potential exit strategy. I'm Mjöll Valdorf, the CEO, and with me in my team, I have the technician and serial entrepreneur, Nils Erik Gíslason, and the founder, Professor Þorsteinn Ingi Sigfússon, laureate of the Global Energy Prize. In addition, we are so fortunate to have access to the experts of the Innovation Centre Iceland and VHE, which is one of Iceland's largest companies. Now, we will be investing in further development of our generators, recruiting the specialists needed, optimizing the manufacturing process, and establishing effective marketing and sales strategy for our company. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I hope that you come and see me at the reception afterwards if you would like to continue to discuss further this very interesting opportunity. Thank you.